tires. Yeah. So apparently with the main landing gear on the 1009 Cessna 40, I just had a landing gear strap break on me to the point that there's only two unbroken straps holding the landing gear, so that's why that landing gear flops now. And so my dad thought about this idea of just wrapping the rubber band within the main landing gear to the nose gear, but apparently it's not really efficient enough for, you know, takeoff, apparently. Almost though. Oh gosh. Okay.